In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Facebook page. By the end, you'll have a page that looks professional, builds trust, and turns casual visitors into engaged followers or customers. First, let's complete your basic setup. Open your Facebook page and click Edit Page Info. Fill in your page name, pick the most accurate category, write a clear bio or description, and add your contact details. Your name should be recognizable and consistent with your brand elsewhere. Choose a category that truly reflects what you do so you show up in the right searches. Keep your bio short, specific, and benefit-driven so people instantly know why your page exists. Add professional contact details so it's easy to reach you. When everything looks right, click Save. A fully completed profile boosts visibility and immediately signals credibility. Next, optimize your visuals. Go to your page and click Edit Profile Picture to upload a clear logo or a friendly, well-lit headshot. Make sure it's high resolution and centered since it appears as a small circle in many places. Then click Edit Cover Photo and upload a clean, branded image. Keep it simple, on-brand, and easy to read on mobile. Clear visuals create a strong first impression and help people remember you. Now add your action button. On your page, click Add Action button. Choose the option that matches your main goal. Message if you want conversations, WhatsApp if that's where you handle inquiries, or Shop Now if you want direct sales. Confirm your choice and save. This button sits at the top of your page and can make the difference between a bounce and a conversion. Let's talk growth with Reels. Click Create and select Reel. Upload a vertical 9:16 video. Keep it around 15 to 30 seconds and lead with a strong hook in the first 3 seconds to stop the scroll. Keep the message focused and visual, and then post. Reels are a fast path to reaching people who don't follow you yet. For deeper community building, create a Facebook group from your page. Click Groups, create a new group, and invite your followers. Groups foster discussions and typically get higher reach than pages, which is great for loyal audiences and feedback. Finally, grow smart with Insights. Open your professional dashboard, click Insights, and look at your best posting times and top posts. Double down on what's working and adjust your strategy for what isn't. Use this data regularly to refine your content and timing for faster growth. Follow these steps, keep things consistent, and check back in on your results, and your Facebook page will be fully optimized.